Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to design simple daily to-do list to manage your day. With maintaining daily to-do list very important to get maximum out of your day. First of all, as usual, what we have to do is change our slide size. For that, go to design tab on top ribbon and then go to slide size icon. You will get this dialog box and from here you can change size, number of slides and orientation. For this particular planner, as usual, I use letter size. This drop down menu you can select your custom size if you want. Then what you have to do is select orientation, select. For this version I use portrait version, so then click OK. Then next screen, select ensure fit. Let's start our design class. So one thing I forgot to tell you that we have large collection of free printable on our website, so you can check them out if you are looking for some minimalistic printable planners. It says one planner costs $1.0, but you can get 100% off coupon code from our joining our 5000 plus community. It's a place where you can share your thoughts, questions and other digital and printable concerns. You will get coupon code from the announcement section of the group. Then you can apply this coupon code for this when you place the ODA in the website. Okay, let's start our design class. From this onward I am not going to disturb you, you can enjoy, it's not complicated. And if you got any question, please leave the comments below. I will help you and make it right. And finally, don't forget to give a huge like to this video and subscribe to the channel if you're going to learn new planner designs in future. Also, you can download this specific planner from this link down below. And thank you guys, enjoy it.